If you're choosing between Google Stitch and Figma Make, watch this before you choose. Because this isn't just AI design tool versus AI design tool. It's starting from ideas versus improving existing workflows. Google Stitch is designed for rapid ideation. You describe an app, screen, or workflow, and it generates UI layouts and front-end code quickly. It also supports multi-screen generation and exporting into Figma for further editing. That makes it attractive for solo developers, prototyping, and turning rough ideas into something usable fast. But here's the catch. Generated designs can sometimes feel repetitive, and you'll still need refinement afterward. Figma Make takes a different approach. It lives inside Figma and works best when you already have existing designs, components, and design systems. For teams already building products in Figma, it can fit naturally into the workflow and preserve design consistency much better. The downside is cost. AI usage relies on credits, and some users report that heavy usage becomes expensive quickly. So which AI actually helps your workflow? Choose Google Stitch if you want rapid prototyping and starting from a blank page. Choose Figma Make if you want AI that integrates directly into an existing design workflow. Bottom line, for solo builders and fast idea generation, Google Stitch often feels more useful. But for real production teams already living inside Figma Make usually fits the workflow better. The surprising answer is that many people end up using Stitch to generate ideas and Figma Make to finish the work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.